Good afternoon. Let's look at Chapter 1, Section 3. We're dealing with factoring the following kinds of equations. We have x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now there's some terminology that you need to understand from this section. First thing we want to know is a monomial. A monomial is something where there is only one part. So this could be a variable or a number. An example would be like 3x or 2 or just y. All of those are examples of monomials. They are just one part together. The second thing we want to look at is a binomial. Here, when you're thinking about a binomial, it has two parts. So an example would be like 3x plus 2 or 5y minus 7. So you've got part 1 and then you have part 2. Well, today we're going to be dealing with trinomials. And these are things that have three parts. So an example would be x squared plus 3x plus 2. And that is a trinomial because it has one part, two parts, and then three parts. Let's look at some more big ideas for today. Page. And here we're looking at the idea of what a function is. Remember we talked about this last week. We have y equals f of x. And if we want to know where the zero of this function is, we're going to find the zero. Zero of this function is found where the x value is able to make the function equal to 0. So if I thought about an example like y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1, I could break this down. We want to think what things multiply together to give us 1, but add together to give us 2. And what multiplies together to give us x squared. So I'm going to put x squared in the front. And in the back I have a plus 1. So if you look at this function, what value could we stick in for x that would cause these both to be 0? Well, if I had x equal to a negative 1, I plug the negative 1 in there, that would give that 0, and it would also give that part 0. So this would be the 0 of a function, because when I plug that number back in, it would give us 0. Those are the big vocabulary words for this particular section. Have a great day. Bye-bye.